Hello dear colleagues, my name is Oleg Prishepa. Welcome to Trading Hero YouTube channel. Let's start our weekly review. Our global profitability is plus 115%. For the last week we earned plus 0.4% and April's profitability is 2.5%. You can also see that we have a lot of open trades and we're gonna analyze them on MetaTrader platform now. The profitability from 2022 you can see below on this chart. So let's take a look at the trades we were making on GBP to USD. We are on 1 hour time frame. I highlighted the previous week with a gray rectangle for you to see the results of the previous week more clear. If we're going to look at the global picture, we'll see that currently we are falling in a downtrend started at the end of March 2022, and we have a very impulsive phase now, because for Friday we fell for more than 2000 pips and our algorithm opened 3 buying positions following this movement. During the week we had only 2 trades. First was a buying position, we closed it with profit, then we were selling, and now it's obvious that the market is following this trend, and we actually can predict where it will stop according to the technical analysis. If we'll look at the daily time frame, you'll see that the next possible stop of this fall is around 1.2680 or 1.2685. It's the lowest price from September 2020, so we still have 1,500 pips to fall. I think this is the maximum movement, impulsive movement that we can expect, because after this kind of movements they usually have a strong correction. So that's why I hope that during the next week, like, we actually have like 2 options. First option is that we're gonna fall and retest these previous lows. We have a capacity for this robot to make several trades more, so it's okay for now. And if we're gonna be bouncing off starting from Monday, I think we're gonna close our profits near the second opened trade, this level. Let's move to the next currency pair, GBP to CAD. As you can see, I haven't changed the borders of the channel since the beginning of this movement, but actually you can see that this channel becomes wider, and it's actually it's normal, because price cannot be like present in a lateral movement for quite a long time, because still like when we have this like balance phase, obviously that we're gonna have this balance phase some time. So obviously that now the thing that I can see that sellers they are trying to push the market down. The situation is pretty similar to the one that we saw on GBP to USD, and here they managed to do it. So that's why I think that if we speak about Canadian GBP to Canadian dollar, we have also the possibility that it will follow the GBP CAD, because actually the global situation is like pretty similar. We are very close to the previous lows, but these lows are from October 2019, so it means that actually we can find a strong support near these levels. We do not have any open trades for this currency pair now, so if we're gonna break this support level, obviously that we're gonna buy. If not, we'll be waiting for the market to retest the previous highs, and then we'll be selling from these positions. Now the next currency pair is New Zealand to Canadian dollar. Here you can see that we have 2 algorithms so working simultaneously. We have one algorithm that is gaining positions following its numbers. It's his first deal, second deal, then we have third deal, and we have also fourth deal. The second algorithm is more moderate. We have like only like first and second deal. So now we are waiting for the market to actually bounce back, because globally, if we look at the daily time frame, we'll see that we are very close to the historical lows, not only from January 2022, but also from May 2020. So it means that the bearish pressure that we can see right now, it will be like losing its force, because like obviously that it's not pretty smart to sell when the price is too low. So it means that we're going to have a disbalance in the opposite direction, and we can wait for the market to bounce back. So everything goes according to the plan. We are moving following the downtrend. We are mostly buying during this downtrend. I think you can see it looking at the number of blue circles showing the openings of buying trades, and we're gonna wait for the market to bounce back, and we'll be closing our positions, I think, near the previous resistance level. The next currency pair is Australian to New Zealand dollar. You can see that we are in a local uptrend. It's a pretty strong uptrend, and I was actually expecting the price to stay a while above this resistance level to actually to sell from this level, but we only like retested and came back here. So the algorithm didn't manage to enter a selling position, and as you can see, this trend slows down, because of course we saw new maximums during the last week, but if you'll take a look at the minimums, they are actually not growing too much. So it means that we are in a phase of some kind of a consolidation. It doesn't mean that this trend has ended and that the break of this support line means that we're not going to see the further growth. No, we have the opportunity to grow. If we'll take a look at the global picture, we actually have the global resistance a little bit higher, around 1.1 and 30. It's the highest point from August 2020. So still, I think that we are able to retest this level to gather some stop losses above it and then fall down. So let's see how it goes. Currently we do not have any open trades, so actually we are waiting for the market to move on. And the last currency pair for today is Australian to Canadian dollar. This situation is pretty similar the one we have on New Zealand to Canadian dollar. We are also in a downtrend. It's not so hawkish, but still we are falling. We also managed to close the chain of 3 trades opened by one of 2 algorithms that we have here, and the second algorithm is still waiting for the market to move down to average the current chain of trades with the 4th deal, or to bounce back a little bit higher and to close the current 3 trades with profits somewhere around the resistance line of this falling trend. Speaking about the global picture for Australian to Canadian dollar, you can see that on a daily time frame we are somewhere in the middle of this lateral movement. Let's say I cannot call it a trend. Like actually it's a lateral movement. So it means that we do not have any strong supports or resistance in the middle of the channel. So both options, decreasing and increasing of price are possible from technical point of view. But for us, everything is okay, because we still have the capacity of this robot to actually to gain several positions, buying positions more. And we also have the second robot that is now waiting for the market to create a new opportunity to enter. So everything is okay speaking about Australian to Canadian dollar. And I actually hope that we're going to close all of the current positions during the next week and show the profitability of at least 4 or 4.5% for April. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel, share it with your friends, and feel free to ask me any questions regarding the strategy. We'll see you soon next Saturday. I wish you a successful trading week. Have a nice day.